Actually, I really want to thank you so much. I want to say that this is the best leadership activity I've ever experienced.
So Arnab Malik conducts a fantastic event which is really worth listening to, worth attending and worth being a part of. He combines music with management, mixes the two and creates a synergy so beautifully that it's really something to be attended to by every staff member, junior, senior and even at the executive level.
It's an interesting concept, trying to mix music which is ingrained in the DNA of Indians, comparing that with the leadership in a platform like here, Indian Marching Chambers. So it's a beautiful fusion, and I'm sure it's going to go a long way because just teaching leadership qualities in an abstract way is not going to be very meaningful. Connecting them with music, which is ingrained in all of us, and trying to give examples of how one can innovate. I'm sure it's a beautiful lesson, and especially for all those leaders who want to innovate, think out of the box, it's going to be very interesting.
Amazing session on leadership awakening by Arnav and Supriya. I was just completely mesmerized by seeing the concept they have used of leadership and management concept through music. The entire session was zapped. We were not ready, even after the session we were like sitting what exactly they did. It was a complete jadoo on us.
I'm delighted to attend this program today. Arnab and Supriya, both of them have absolutely delightful voices. They are just too engaging, very captivating, and they have really a very good mastery over music. And when music combined with management, this is a very unique and very innovative program that Arnab has come up with, and it was a wonderful experience which I would recommend more corporates and other institutions and organizations to look at and invite them to perform in their organizations.
It brought in a lot of new aspects and new thoughts and diversity of thoughts into this entire topic, which is really serious, which is leadership lessons, but it brought in a zinc. So it's a new way of understanding something that big, a theme. So I think it's a great initiative.
I think Learning Soil has really make all of us learn a lot of things today. I'm very happy for my students, for my faculty, because they experienced a very unique kind of program. And I am sure the leadership qualities in them, the potential got awakened through this program.
It was something very enlightening, something very unique, and something very holistic.
This is with reference to the training program we've had on the 18th of June for the Tata Sky Finance team. I think over the years, I have attended so many of them, reaching the evening of life almost now. I was just mentioning to my boss, Mr. Sambasivan, among so many programs that we've had, we've never experienced something so phenomenal in terms of the various facets that you have covered with such good music. With we're very, very touched that management can be thought.
The program conducted by Mr. Arnab Malik is a unique in itself. It's the merging of music with leadership concepts. Just 1.5 hours that he has presented before the entire team of HR fraternity of NTPC has totally mesmerized all the audiences to the extent that they were totally unaware of how the time flies away.
Let's come to harmony. When you inject emotion into melody, you create harmony. Now, as a singer, what is my team? My team is my brain, my vocal cord, these 7 notes which we talked about, and I have an ecosystem. My musicians, my co-singer, the person managing the sound, my sound engineer, that's my ecosystem. And using that, I need to create music.
एक हसीना थी,
That's the spirit.
एक दीवाना था, क्या उम्र, क्या शमा, क्या जमाना था.
तेरे बिना जिंदगी से कोई शिकवा तो नहीं, शिकवा नहीं, शिकवा नहीं, शिकवा नहीं.
क्या हुआ तेरा वादा, वो कसम, वो इरादा.